You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop your iPad and iPhone from syncing photos. If you're using both devices and notice that the same photos are appearing on each one, it's because iCloud Photos is enabled. Let's go through how to turn that off so your photo library stays separate. Start by opening the Settings app on both your iPhone and iPad. At the top, tap your name to access your Apple ID settings, then choose iCloud. From there, tap on Photos. You'll see a toggle labeled iCloud Photos. Go ahead and turn that off. This will stop new photos from syncing between the devices. If you're using shared albums, those can also sync photos between devices. So while you're in the Photos settings, you can toggle off shared albums as well. This will prevent albums shared from one device from appearing on the other. If you want a complete separation between the two devices, you can sign out of iCloud entirely on one of them. Just remember that doing this affects more than photos. It stops syncing for things like notes, messages, and backups too. Another option is to use two different Apple IDs if you want the devices to function completely independently. One important note: if you leave syncing on and delete a photo from one device, it may disappear from all devices using the same iCloud account. So make sure iCloud Photos is turned off before removing anything, or you might lose it permanently. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear and simple Apple tips. See you later.